Let's see how's it going. Could you move that back? Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So this obviously replaces the old doorbell, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a 2-wire system?
When you say 2-wire, like...
Is there 2 wires that came out of there?
Mm-hmm. Just the sound wire.
Yeah, these 2 wires. They just go right to that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Plenty of room for it, huh? It's pretty thin.
Yeah, it was...
Doesn't take up much room, huh? Now, I did download the app, but I haven't done much with it.
Perfect.
You know what I mean? So whenever you want me to go into that app, let me know. Okay?
You can go ahead and log into it because it's going to require you to set up your
I'll just put this in my pocket, okay?
That's cool. I'm just trying to get this to get the sound to work.
Take your time. You want a beer? You're more than welcome. I got IPA, little blue hazy thing.
Oh, man.
You're more welcome to have one if you want one. If you don't want, I understand.
Those are pretty strong. I've had an IPA once before.
Oh, yeah. Well, it took me a few years to adapt the taste to it.
That's what they said. It takes a few years to really get to...
You want iced tea or something? Let me know if you need anything, man.
I'll try the IPA.
All right, sounds good. You want a glass? It's in a can.
I'll try it in a can.
All right, cool. I'll get you one. Then I'll go in here and log in. I haven't done much here.
There's no rush.
Let's start protecting your home. Okay.
Yeah. It's just a way to synchronize all the stuff. That's all.
All right, cool. I'll get your beer.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
I won't drink it until after I'm done.
You can have as many as you want. I don't care. I don't know anything. I'm cool. Don't worry about it. I just appreciate you doing this today. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Someone tried to break in. That's why I'm doing all this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The door, I came home and one day the front door wouldn't close good, and this thing right here was not. Someone stepped on it and broke it, bent down, and they were going, as they're going like that. But the deadbolt held. So ever since then, I'm like, well, you know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I got it here.
I'm sorry about that. Now you should work. If you don't, we have a problem. Or at least I do. Complete. Sometimes that's what it takes, guys. You just gotta fiddle around with it a little bit more than normal just to get it in there. And as you can see, I'm a living example of having to fiddle around. So I fiddled around with it. That would have been the longest part of the job. And the results of it, not to say that they vary, but they will vary. This has nothing to do with how good someone thinks I work, how proficient they think things are. Nothing to do with any of that. This is legitimately a lot of high risk, high reward fashions. That comes with the pros and the cons of the world. So now,
I got this in here if you want it. Or...
that's fine.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, no, don't chew on me. Let's see. Yep. Now we're talking about you can't do it but so tight. Still gotta be able to slide it up there and get that to program to work. And booyah. That, my dear friends, is how you install a video doorbell. But don't worry, we're not finished.
Your camera is ready for setup.
Wow.
Follow the instructions in the Simplisafe app to get started.
No, I'm cold like that. I'm cold.